have visited a long time. Now I should take a rest because I'm really so tired. Let's go, our student, to take a cup of coffee. Okay. Wait for a second. I think I saw her previous day. Which she? I wanna know. Hi, Afi. Hey, can I have a seat here? Please, sure. Okay, actually, I think I saw you anywhere previous time.
Really?
Yeah. Where do you live?
Now currently living in 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙧'𝙨.
But I think I saw you in Birgonj.
Yeah, I was a student of 𝙎𝙤𝙤 Government Girls.
Okay, I got the point, and that's why I saw you in Birgonj. So, what's your name?
My full name is 𝙎𝙤𝙪𝙧'𝙨 and everyone calls me as Shetu.
Okay, so what's about your family?
Okay, my family members is my mother and my brother is sitting here and my mother also, and obviously my father is not here.
Okay, what's about your father? What does
Okay,
he do?
my father is a police officer and he's in another
Very hard work.
Sure.
I like it. So, what about your aim in life?
Okay, thank you very much for having eagerness to know my aim in life. And firstly, I want to be a good human.
That's great. Actually, most of the people of our country, in this society, good human is very rare. So I appreciate about your
Thank you.
intention. So, have you come in here alone?
No, I have told you that my brother is sitting here.
Okay. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm also fine. And you?
I'm also pretty fine. What's your name?
My name is 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙧'𝙨. And what's your name?
My name is Rosa. Okay, nice to meet you. So, Apu, it's really interesting day for me because I saw you previous day and
Yeah.
I am really shocked when I saw you in this day.
Are you live in 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙧'?
Yeah, currently I'm living in Bengal.
Is it your permanent address?
No, my permanent address is in Joshore. I am living here for my mother's profession.
Okay, I have seen your video. You have visited Monihar Cinema Hall.
Yeah, Muriya Cinema. Right.
We are actually students of Muslim.
It was situated at the Joshore
Yeah.
So it's been a great theater of Bangladesh.
Are you a student of Mashur sir?
Yeah, obviously I'm a student of Moshu sir.
Okay.
From
I was a previous student.
Oh, that's why I saw you. Okay, that's great. So, one question for you. Why do you live in Birgonj? And
𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙧'𝙨 is my birthplace and it's my root, and I have many relatives in there, and so I feel very comfortable in there.
okay, so how about your feelings in living in Birgonj?
Okay, it was really a huge time I lived there.
How long?
It's nearly 10 years.
Wow, okay, it's really a long time.
Yeah.
If you visit Birgonj and see all of your friends, all of your close mates, so what will you feel?
As I passed there a huge time, and it's nearly 10 years, and many of my friends friend circle they are living, and so when I go to there and when I visit their home, it's really seems to me good.
Wow, that's great. So I think you're so busy with your family.
Yeah.
Now I should go also. I'm going to take coffee because I'm really so tired. Nice to meet you.
Please take. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.